Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the North Bengaluru's most talked about integrated township development, Birla Trimaya, located at Shettigare, Devanahalli, just a short drive from Kempegowda International Airport. Developed by Birla Estate, this large-scale township has been designed to bring together luxury living, expansive green spaces, modern amenities, and excellent connectivity, making it an attractive option for both home buyers and investors. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, lifestyle, apartment configuration, pricing, as well as the booking and payment plan. So let's start with the project overview. Birla Trimaya is a thoughtfully planned integrated township spread across approximately 52 acres in North Bengaluru. The project has been designed to create a self-sustained community where residents can enjoy the convenience of modern urban living while staying connected to nature. One of the standout features of the township is its focus on open space and greenery, with more than 80% of the development dedicated to landscape areas and recreational spaces. The project also features a beautifully curated 2.5-acre lake, adding to the overall appeal of the community. The township offers a wide range of residences including 1, 2, 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK homes catering to different lifestyle requirements and family sizes. With a low density planning, multiple luxury clubhouse and a strong emphasis on community living, Birla Trimaya aims to deliver a premium lifestyle experience in one of the Bengaluru's fastest growing corridor. Talking about the location and connectivity, so one of the biggest advantage of Birla Trimaya is its strategic location at Shettigar, Devanahalli. Kempegowda International Airport is just around 10 to 12 minutes away, making it specially attractive for frequent travelers and professionals working in the airport ecosystem. NH44 can be reached in approximately 5 minutes, providing smooth connectivity to various parts of the city. Major employment hubs such as KIADB Aerospace Park is around 15 minutes away, while Hardware Tech Park can be reached in 15 to 20 minutes. Yelahanka is about 20 minutes from the project and Hebbil is 25 to 30 minutes away. The location offers the perfect balance between connectivity and peaceful living, allowing residents to enjoy a greener environment without compromising on accessibility. Now coming to the amenities and lifestyle offerings, so Birla Trimaya has been designed as a lifestyle-focused township with a wide range of amenities catering to residents of all age groups. Residents will have access to grand clubhouse, swimming pool for adults and children, a fully equipped gym, indoor games facilities, a cricket practice arena, jogging and cycling track, as well as dedicated yoga and meditation zone. The overall focus is on creating a well-rounded lifestyle where wellness, recreation, fitness and community living come together within a single development. Talking about the pricing and configurations, so Birla Trimaya offers a variety of configurations to suit different needs and budgets. The 1 BHK residences feature a usable area of approximately 485 to 489 square feet and are priced between 90 lakh rupees and 97 lakh rupees. The 2 BHK homes offers usable areas ranging from 801 to 810 square feet, priced starting from 1.34 crore rupees onwards. For families looking for more space, a 3 BHK residences range from 1045 to 1155 square feet and are priced between 1.75 crore rupees onwards. At the premium end of the spectrum, the spacious 4 BHK duplex homes offer approximately 2,551 square feet of usable area, with the prices ranging from 4.24 crore rupees onwards. The project's thoughtfully planned layouts, excellent ventilation, abundant green spaces, curated lake and future-ready infrastructure make it a strong contender in Bengaluru's luxury residential market. Now talking about the booking and payment plan, so the project follows a structured construction-linked payment plan designed to make the purchase process smooth and transparent. Buyers are required to pay 10% at the time of booking, followed by another 10% within 90 days. A further 10% becomes payable at the start of the structure or 18 months from the booking, whichever is later. 30% is payable upon completion of the structure, another 30% at the applicable stage of the occupancy certificate, and the remaining 10% at the time of possession. During your site visit, the sales team will walk you through the township master plan, detailed floor plan, clubhouse facilities, available inventory, pricing details, and payment schedules, helping you make an informed decision. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.